Hello everyone, this is Jay. I haven't been able to post as of lately because I've been busy with work and getting ready for the holidays, also enjoying the holidays, of course. And I'm hoping you are all enjoying the holidays with your loved ones and friends. But I couldn't miss making my weekly Friday video where I review my portfolio to see what's undervalued. I'm a DCA investor. I made my deposit already, as I do every Friday, and I'm gonna review my portfolio to see what's undervalued, how the market has been behaving as of lately, and see where am I gonna allocate that deposit into which stocks, of course. But I also wanted to show you guys stock that I saw on a mid cap ETF. This stock caught my attention. It has some nice numbers, so I did some quick research. I inputted all the information into my stock research spreadsheet, so I can show you guys that new spreadsheet that I've been trying to work on. So, but here it is. Let's just not take any more time. So right here it is. This is my spreadsheet. I'm gonna show you everything in the spreadsheet. So the ticker symbol is RS. The name of the company is Reliance Steel and Aluminum Co. I took a screenshot of the price chart for the last 5 years, and it is up over 300% in the last 5 years. This is just in share price only. This is not including dividends reinvested, so which is great in my opinion. That's definitely very, very nice growth. So I took a screenshot of the company profile right here, Reliance Steel and Aluminum Co. This is an international company, pretty much. They provide metal services in the U.S., Canada, and internationally. The company distributes approximately 100,000 metal products. Some of these are like aluminum, brass, copper, carbon steel, stainless steel. One of the things that caught my attention a lot was that they provide metals to the semiconductor fabrication, which is it really caught my attention. I want to do a little bit more research to see which companies do they have contracts with in the semiconductor sector. So that really caught my attention right there. Is this a company that you own in your portfolio? It is the first time that I've seen this company, so please let me know in the comment section. The company was founded in 1939, so it's been in business for longer than I've been alive, so which is great. The market cap right here is $16 billion. Sector, material sector, which I don't hold anything. That's why it caught my attention also. Share price as of today, Friday, it is $281.25. The 52-week low is $199. 52-week high is $295. So it's closer to the 52-week high then to the 52-week low. That still doesn't say that it is overvalued or undervalued. That dividend yield, it is only at 1.42% right now, with the share price that is at right now at $281. But they do pay a $4 a share per year, so which is nice. And then that payout ratio, according to the earnings per share that they have right now and the information that I took from Stock Analysis and Seeking Alpha, the payout ratio right now, it is at 16.77%, which it means that they have a lot of space to grow that dividend. So that's definitely very, very nice. And it shows it right here in the 5-year dividend growth CAGR, 14.87%. Which is a double-digit dividend compounder, definitely. And that's looking really, really good. Years of dividend growth, 13 years. So they've been growing that dividend for 13 consecutive years. They're going for the dividend aristocrat status, I'm sure. But it is looking very, very good. Price to earnings ratio, it is only 11.82. And the earnings per share, 23.85. So these are two numbers that I really, really like from this company. And let's go into the charts. I do have all the information right here inputted if you want to pause it and take a look at it. But let's go into the charts. I really like charts. And the revenue from 2017, which it was $9 billion, it went up to $11 billion in 2018. Then 2019 and 2020 kind of stay stagnant also, but then in 2021 it went up to $14 billion, and then in 2022 $17 billion. So I'm just waiting for the numbers for 2023 to clear, but that revenue is looking very, very nice. And then the total debt, as you can see right here, they have a lot of debt, over $1.9 billion to $2.2 billion in 2018, but then it kind of stayed flat in around $1.8 billion for from 2019 into 2022. And then in 2023 so far, from the last number that they reported, they brought the debt down to $1.3 billion. So they're definitely working on paying out that debt, which is nice. The earnings per share, as you can see right here, in 2017, 2018, 2019 was around $8 to $10. Then in 2020 went down to $5 earnings per share, which is the same thing as the revenue. As you can see right there, it went down in 2020. I'm sure it was because of the pandemic. But then in 2021 it went all the way up to $22 at earnings per share. Then in 2022, $30 earnings per share. And then in 2023, so far, 23, which is definitely nice. It is looking really, really good. It has been having some nice growth in the past couple of years. I wonder if maybe they have been getting some nice contracts in the semiconductor sector, which has been growing very, very good. So that's something to look into. Then the free cash flow, as you can see, they have over $265 million in 2017, went up to $453 million. Then in 2019 they went up to $1 billion, 2020 $1 billion, 2021 they went down on the free cash flow to $598 million, sorry. It's not with a B. And then in 2022 over $1.7 billion. So that's looking really, really good. The free cash flow, they're definitely showing some nice signs right there. They've been paying off debt, so I'm sure they have been using some of that cash flow to pay off debt. And as you can see, that dividend growth right here, that this is my favorite chart right here, which it went from 2017 they were paying $1.80 a share per year, to 2018 $2, 2019 $2.20, 2020 $2.50, 2021 $2.75, 2022 $3.50, and 2023 $4 a share per year. So that dividend growth is looking really, really nice. The shares outstanding, as you can see, they have been going down from 74 million all the way down to 61 million in 2022. So they haven't been diluting shareholders by adding more and more shares. So that's some good signs of the business. So please let me know in the comment section, what do you think of this company, RS? I really wanted to bring it up to you guys and see what's your opinion in it. Do you hold this company? Did you buy it like 5 years ago when it was like around $80, and now you are up like 300% and you have been holding? This is the nice thing about, or the good thing about buying and hold a company. You can definitely have some very, very nice growth. All right, so let's go right into my portfolio. Let's not make it any longer. And let's go into my portfolio, which is right here. This is the spreadsheet that I use to track my dividend portfolio. And I'm up 2.5%, over $250. So I'm ending the year in the green, which is awesome. I'm very, very excited about that. A couple months ago, I was down $800. I was in the negative by a lot. But I really took advantage of that, and I was DCA into my holdings, which I have right here. A lot of them, and a lot of them are in the green. I was able to bring down my cost in a lot of the companies that I have in my portfolio, which it was awesome. It was definitely great. My market value right now is at $10,300. That's not including the deposit that I just made today. But I'll add it, and then I'll give a weekly update, which will be my last one for 2023 on Sunday. That's gonna be awesome. And right here in my holdings, realty income is in the green already by 0.73%. I'm up $10 right now. I remember when there was a lot of videos talking about realty income. It is down. You gotta sell. No, I took advantage of that. I really did. I bought shares, whole shares actually, around $52. I definitely took advantage when it was in the $52, $51 range. I also bought some around $49. I did not pick up any when it was in around $46, which I'm definitely not too excited about. But it's okay. I at least picked up a lot when it was in the lower 50s. Which I'm definitely very happy about. My yield on cost right now, it is 5.28% on the cost that I have right now, which is awesome. I'm definitely very excited about this position right here. I do still think that they are in the buy price right now. If I have an extra $5, I'll definitely put it on there. I just kind of slow down because it is a very large holding in my portfolio, especially for a single stock at over $1,400 in market value. Even though I am planning on holding all long term, but I want to continue growing other positions. But I'm definitely very excited. How is O performing in your portfolio? Please let me know in the comment section. And how many shares do you hold? I want to get to 25 shares, but I'll get there within the next month or so. So I'm not too rushing on that. Bank of America is doing very, very nice for me. Over 15% of performance, so that's awesome. But one of the ones that I'm definitely buying today, it is J&J, Johnson & Johnson. The healthcare sector is still down right now, which I'm definitely taking advantage of. And that's what I did with all realty income when the real estate sector was down, which is still down a little bit. So I still see it as an opportunity, to be honest with you, in the real estate sector. But the healthcare sector, it is down right now, which I'm not going away from it. I'm just buying. I'm buying more and more. So I'm going to be buying more J&J today. I'm down in the negative by 2%. So it's not by much, but I definitely want to continue bringing my cost down. My cost is $160. Share price is at $156. So I'm going to be doing, I think, about the same purchase that I made last week. If you've been following the channel, you know how much I bought the last week. So I'll definitely be buying something similar. So my next one, it will definitely be PFE, ticker symbol PFE, Pfizer. I do have 12 shares already. I've been really bullish on Pfizer. Definitely since I started my position in June. I really want to continue growing this position. It was around $26 a couple days ago. Now it is at $28. My cost per share is $34, so I want to continue bringing my cost down. I'm hoping it stays around this price so I could bring it down to, I could bring my cost to like $30. But I'm going to be making another purchase today for sure on Pfizer. I am down 18%. My yield on cost right now, it is 4.93%. I think if I pick up any shares at $20, the yield on those shares will be around 5% or a little bit above 5% for sure, especially with that new dividend increase, which they increased by 1 cent to 42 cents. So I'm definitely going to buy some more Pfizer. Have you been buying Pfizer? Do you have Pfizer in your portfolio? Do you have any opinion in it? I really would like to know. I'm going to continue buying Pfizer for sure. And then my next one that it is in the red, it is Canview KVUE. I've just been buying $5 every week. So I'll probably be doing the same thing. Right now, the share price is at $21.47. I am down in the negative by 8%. So I'm going to continue to take advantage of that. I really like their products. And then another one that I looked at, it was Starbucks. Ticker symbol SBUX. It's at $95. I want to continue growing this position. It's still above my cost. I really want to be more bullish. Like if it goes back down to like the 80s, I'll definitely be more bullish and I'll put like more money into it. But as of right now, it is at $95. I'm kind of anchoring to like the $80 price. to be honest with you, even though I shouldn't. I should probably buy more because Starbucks, I do think that this company will be doing great long term, even with any new competition that is gonna come. Like, for example, McDonald's opening that new line, the new drinks line, which is Cosmics, which is gonna be like the Starbucks competition. I still think Starbucks is gonna be extremely popular, and I don't think they're gonna go down anytime soon. I still see so many people on my job just with those Starbucks drinks. They're just everyone is such a fan of Starbucks. Another one that I really was buying, it was Vici, ticker symbol VICI. It went back up in share price already to $32.18. So I gotta do a little bit of a review. I really like this company right here, this real estate company. My yield on cost, it is 5.5%. I really want to continue growing that position also. So, but it is above my cost right now. I'm in the positive by 6%, which is definitely great. But let me see. Let me take a look to see where I'm at today. I definitely want to do a little bit more on VYM and SCHD, but definitely VYM. I really want to continue growing this position in VYM. My performance, it is 5%, so I really want to grow this position, especially with their dividend growth. This year, they actually beat SCHD in dividend growth this year. They grew it by 7%. SCHD only grew it by like 3%. But of course, these ETFs, I'm planning on holding long term. Some years SCHD will be great. Some years VYM will be great. So that's why I have both of them in my portfolio, and I really, really like both of them. And I want to continue growing those two positions. So are these in your portfolio? Please let me know in the comment section. Is there any other sector that I should be looking into? I think another one is also the oil sector, which is down, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't had a chance to really look in there, but I found that one, RS, in the material sector, which definitely caught my attention a lot. I'm going to try to do a little bit more research. Let me know your opinion. If you have done research in that company also, I really would like to know, if you don't mind. All right, so this is it pretty much for my video today. I don't want to make it any longer. I'm definitely going to be making a video on Sunday to give my weekly update. I'm going to show my last purchases for 2023. I did deposit like an extra, a little bit of extra money that I had because I got paid for my second job. So I put a little bit extra in there. So I'm definitely excited about that. And I'm definitely going to be making some purchases today. But please let me know, which purchases are you making today? Which companies have you been buying, or ETFs? Which one is your favorite ETF? Definitely a lot of goals for 2024. I haven't been able to really do any research or things like that as of lately. I haven't had that much time, but I'm really going to try to focus a little bit more on that in 2024. But it's very hard during the holidays. All right, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button to continue to support the channel. I really appreciate it. And I'll definitely see you on the next one next week. Thank you. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.